Before Los Angeles became a city, it was a different kind of landscape. Grass moved in the wind, oak trees stood in scattered patches, and beneath the ground, dark asphalt slowly rose toward the surface. To many animals, these dark pools may have looked like ordinary water or soft earth, but they were traps, slow, silent, and patient enough to preserve an entire lost world. This world was not empty. Bison, camels, horses, ground sloths, and other large mammals moved through the plains. Their paths crossed water, shade, mud, and danger. Among the predators of this world was Smilodon. It is often called the saber-toothed tiger. But it was not a tiger. It was something older, stranger, and more specialized. Its body was not built like a modern cheetah, made for long pursuit. It was compact, heavy, and strong. The shoulders and forelimbs suggest an animal that relied on control, not speed alone. The teeth are what we remember first. Long, curved canines, unlike anything in living cats. But these weapons were not simple tools of brute force. They were precise, and precision can be fragile. Smilodon could open its jaws wider than modern big cats. Yet its bite was not simply stronger. The skull, neck, and forelimbs worked together in a different kind of killing machine. It may have waited close to cover, a rush from the grass, a struggle held by powerful limbs. Then perhaps the sabers were used carefully, where the body was most vulnerable. For this animal, the front of the body mattered. Strong forelimbs may have helped it pull large prey down and keep it still. The teeth alone were not the whole story. Much of its life would not have looked like a dramatic hunt. It may have been waiting, following scent, reading movement, and choosing the rare moment when risk was worth taking. But the tar pits reveal a darker part of this world. When one animal became trapped, its distress could draw others close. Scavengers, hunters, and curious predators all face the same ground. At La Brea, predators are astonishingly common in the fossil record. Smilodon, dire wolves, coyotes, and birds of prey were drawn into a place where food and death could look almost the same. This is why Smilodon is both familiar and mysterious. We have many bones, more than we have for most extinct predators. Yet bones can show structure more easily than behavior. Were they solitary, like many living cats? Or did they gather, at least sometimes, around kills or trapped prey? The evidence is debated. The tar preserves bodies, but not simple answers. Some fossils show healed injuries. That has led some scientists to wonder whether injured individuals survived with help, or whether these cats were simply resilient enough to recover alone. Even the famous teeth carried risk. A broken saber could change an animal's life. Smilodon was powerful, but its power was not careless. It depended on anatomy working exactly as it should. Near the end of the Ice Age, the world began to change. Many large herbivores declined or disappeared. For a predator shaped around large prey, change could be more dangerous than any rival. Smilodon did not vanish because it was weak. It vanished in a world where strength was no longer enough. Its body had been shaped for a vanished rhythm of life. Today, the tar still holds what the living world has lost: teeth, limbs, skulls, and fragments of lives that once moved through grass, dust, and morning light. Smilodon is remembered for its teeth, but its real story is larger than the sabers. It is the story of a predator perfectly shaped for a world that did not last.